So let's dive into the unfiltered truth about achieving your first $1 million, straight from someone who hit that milestone at the age of 18 and has amassed tens of millions since then. There are 5 fundamental truths that rarely get discussed when it comes to building wealth, particularly if you're aiming to start from scratch. Maybe you are one of those people who always ask yourself how to get rich, but you don't know how to get rich. Or maybe you think that getting rich is a complicated and difficult task that requires a lot of knowledge and experience. Or you even think that getting rich is a lucky thing that only happens to lucky people. If you think so, then read this article to the end. In this detailed article, we explain to you that the topic of getting rich is a simple and understandable issue that does not require special knowledge and experience. We also explain that in order to get rich, you need to follow a series of simple principles and rules. And we point out that getting rich is a normal and common issue that can be achieved by anyone who wants to and follows these principles. In this article, I will explain to you simple and logical ways to get rich so that you can change your lifestyle for the better by doing them one grit and persistence trump talent. Sure, talent is great, but it's grit and persistence that will ultimately see you through to success. Building wealth is no walk in the park. It requires relentless determination and the willingness to push through setbacks and failures. Don't underestimate the power of sheer persistence. 2, risk is inevitable. Building wealth often involves taking risks. And yes, sometimes you'll fall flat on your face. But here's the thing. Calculated risks are key. You can't expect to make millions without putting yourself out there and taking some chances. Just be sure to do your homework and weigh the pros and cons before diving in. 3, delayed gratification is non-negotiable. In a world where instant gratification is the norm, mastering the art of delayed gratification is crucial. Building wealth requires making sacrifices and delaying immediate pleasures in favor of long-term goals. It's about prioritizing the future over the present and being willing to make short-term sacrifices for long-term gains. 4, education is your greatest asset. Forget what you've heard about luck and being in the right place at the right time. When it comes to building wealth, education is your greatest asset. Whether it's formal education, self-directed learning, or learning from mentors and experts in your field. Never stop investing in yourself and expanding your knowledge base. 5, surround yourself with the right people. They say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, and when it comes to building wealth, this couldn't be more true. Surround yourself with ambitious, driven individuals who inspire you to aim higher and push harder. Cut ties with negative influences and naysayers who drag you down or discourage your dreams. In conclusion. So there you have it, the raw truth about making your first $1 million. It's not easy, and it's certainly not glamorous, but with grit, perseverance, and a willingness to take calculated risks, it's entirely possible. Just remember to stay focused, stay hungry, and never lose sight of your goals.